Now, in this video, we are discussing social media and its effectiveness as a strategy to market your dental practice. Social media has become a staple of the patient's journey. In fact, 41% of people say social media affects their choice of doctor, hospital, or medical facility. As far as generating new patients, of course, this is an effective strategy. Managing your social media accounts is possible by yourself or with your staff's help. However, best practice is to consistently post. And where we see that many dental practices struggle is planning consistent content and posting regularly. Now, the typical costs associated with social media account management can range from free, as you can do it yourself, to $3,000 a month. Now, the range is drastically different because it depends on your market size and, of course, your social media advertising budget. A few tips to improve social media engagement are to 1. Post consistently. You'll want to plan out your content pieces weeks, even months in advance. Some simple ideas are staff birthdays, patient before and afters with their consent, holidays, local events, and even blog posts. Secondly, engage with your patients. Be sure to have a system that alerts you of patient inquiries and try to respond promptly. If you post an image and fans comment on it, be sure to respond to them. And finally, clearly define your target patient. What you post should resonate with your fans. By clearly defining your target patient, you can begin crafting content that they'll find engaging. So as a reminder, post consistently. 2. Engage with your patients. And finally, clearly define your target patient. Advice Media offers a solution called Social Power. So we take the stress out of consistently posting by adding 4 posts a week to Facebook as well as Instagram. So this gives you the flexibility to post personalized content to your practice while still having an engaged audience. Also, posting consistently helps keep your practice top of mind with your patients. So you can start slow, but always focus on adding value to your followers. Now, once you have a great website and have implemented a strong SEO strategy that is supported by local directories, review management, and social media presence, the next digital strategy to generate new patients should be digital advertisements.